What up, guys? Just want to make a quick little video for actually truck driving. So if you guys are hauling any trailer, reefer, a chassis that's connected to a container and you are not getting lights, if you notice when you shake it, you get lights. So people say, I see on forums like, oh, well, there's a tool you can buy that holds it up and keeps it nice and stiff so the lights turn on. Well, if you're like me and you don't want to be spending money on stupid shit you don't need, you look, grab one of these seals. This one, grab these. You're gonna take this, place it underneath, like so. So you can take this piece, set it like that, and then you're going to open the flap for the pigtail and just slide it in. Like so. So it should look something like this. Seal should be jammed in there, connected, locked, airline's good, and we got lights. So easy tip if you guys are over at a rail yard or a port or just at any rock drop off area. And I mean, you can use paper and fold it, but plastic seal is always the best. I mean, they're everywhere. You can find them on the floor. So just a quick video. I want to help out all my trucking brothers and sisters out there. So quick little tip. Keep trucking.